success comes in the nuances, be it in growing corn or racing motocross. It's the subtle touches that come with years of dedication to the craft. Motocross for me had its scrapes and blemishes. It was never meant to be perfect. It was an outlet to see what I could do, to completely throw myself at a task and see what results I could achieve.
The champion for 2009 of the West Coast Tour is Ryan Dungey. Let the emotion flow, Ryan Dungey, you are a champion. Ryan Dungey is quickly becoming one of the superstars of the sport of Supercross. No rookie has ever won both championships in the same year, and he does it.
All the way from Palisade, Minnesota, he's the champion, 250 intermediate stock,
My career wasn't perfect, but that's what made it amazing.